Alright, we're going to start with our rice first because that's going to take us the longest to make. So we're going to make a vegetable stock. We're going to turn our burner up to about 5. And then we're going to come over and we're going to pour in 2 cups of hot water. I'm going to bring this back to the burner, and then we're going to scoop in a teaspoon of vegetable stock. And we put the water in first because, as you can see, this is very sticky. And the water will help us remove the stock from the spoon. Now, the stock will break up as we boil it, but it won't break up all the way. So we're going to help it along by smashing it up. And you can see it's already starting to turn the water a nice orange color. And we're going to go ahead and let that simmer.